How to schedule messages in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Slack account. Now, on the left side, click on the channel where you want to schedule a message. Type in your message and at the bottom right, you'll find an arrow. Click on it. After you click on the arrow, which is scheduled for later, you will find this kind of screen. You can schedule a message or custom. Then, after you clicked on custom, you can select the date and time and press on schedule message. After you schedule a message, if you click on see all scheduled message at the top of your text, you'll find all the scheduled message. The message will be sent when it's the time. And this is how to schedule messages in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.